In email writing, you must have seen this word a lot and you don't know how to use it. If you are a student and you just started working, you are confused, ma'am, where to use follow up and why people are using follow up, then this video is for you, as this video is going to be helpful for you to write your email more professionally. So, follow up. The meaning of follow up is to contact somebody again and to ask about a topic which is already discussed before. So, for instance, you have attended a meeting and there you discussed about some kind of project or topic. Now, you are not sure whether they are going to reply you, whether they are going to contact you again. You want to use this follow up word to ask about the same topic or the project which has been discussed in the previous meeting. Okay. Follow up is used to contact someone again and ask about the discussed topic. Follow up. Okay. So when to use follow up? When to use follow up? When? When to use follow up? If you are not sure where to use this word, then let me give you a very simple trick to understand when can you use this word in your emails. The first thing, you can follow this formula N, S, and R. N, S, R. N means when there is no reply. When there is no reply. If you have discussed a topic or you have sent an email to a company and you haven't got any reply, in this case, you can use this. You want to take follow up. You want to discuss this topic again by taking the follow up because there is no reply. Okay. Next, S means is status update. Status update. Status update. Status update. You want to know the status of the discussed topic, what they are thinking, what they have decided. So you want an update where you can decide what you want to do further. If you don't know any update related to discussed topic, you can take it by follow up. Next is to give a reminder. Okay. Remind again. Reminder. R stands for reminder. Okay. Due to a lot of work pressure, people can be busy in their work and sometimes it slips their mind what they have discussed. We can take follow up when you want to give reminder, a polite reminder of discussed topic or project. At that time, we can take it by taking follow up. Okay, a lot of work pressure can make people extremely swamped. And due to this, you don't know what they are thinking. And you want to give them a reminder by not giving an actual reminder. You don't want to call and ask, hey sir, what have you decided? Can you please send me? Or did you just forget? Maybe they are so busy to give you a reminder. Okay, maybe they are so busy to reply you. Maybe they're interested. You just need to give a reminder. And how can you give a reminder? Just by taking follow up. I hope that you have understood till now where can we use this particular word in email. Now, let's take some examples which can help you to take follow up easily. Let's see some examples. I am writing. So the first and the most useful phrase is I am writing. On my previous email. If you are writing this phrase in your email, you want an answer about your previous email. Here, there can be some cases like no reply, as I told you, NSR. No reply, status update, and giving a reminder. So, if there is any case like this, you can send this phrase by using this word. I'm writing to follow up on my previous email. The fundamental of writing any professional email, any professional letter, always follows by a lot of formal words. If you are a working professional and you don't know how to write a professional email and you don't know how to reply somebody in a very formal manner, then you can do only one thing: replace your normal word, replace your normal daily use word with formal words. Okay? Try to do that and you will see a lot of changes in your spoken English, in your communication. You will be speaking more formal rather than informally. Okay? Now I want you to write one example sentence in the comment section, which can help other students as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. If you liked this video, don't forget to follow Spreading Skills. Till then, bye-bye.